Keblai pi baro syakatup Khubor jengi ke MBCTv. Kimat bakongsan menta kesengi kilong. Kejing ting rengai kiseng bhalang nyotrep ya kerel. Jingalang penek klau ke KHDC. Penbena tarik pendung kerteng thamai udisi ribhoi ya kipai pa. Batut kipai pa syakayau jan than kti. Bat mentang in pa syagi Khubor bakam benya. Ya ke Jylla Meghalaya, la ban paria haki ar benta, West Meghalaya but East Meghalaya. NAKA jingdon artli ke jat ben riu lom, ke basyang basa naduk kipor bamla nyau tang syu. Kita ke jat ben riu kilong, nyau terep bat acik, khasi bat garu. Ki khasi kidon lai pun riu ngut ki MLA, kat ba ki garu kidon arpusau ngut, haka yingdor bar thawan ke Jylla, baro kilong riu pongut. Nakaliang kajat benriu acik lani garo kajingnya tainya halor kajing mentoy bat kajing ma nakarel kami syo namar karel kalapoi haduk mendi pathar not Garo Hills District. Katba nakaliang kajat benriu nyau trep khasi karel kadang long kapang ya tainya haot ni kadang yai beteng haduk menta. Kilai pun riu ngut ki MLA nyau trep kidon lai pun riu teli kajing mut halor kajing temu ban penpoi ya karel ha bernihat ha Shillong bat ha kliriat. Haduk menta kini kilai pun riu teli ki jingmut ki badang long kum ulum ba kidang sukhun lanu kin kha de uram ha ne de urkhan amla bantip kat ban nakaliang ki seng bahalang ki bara de ki rong lama babun jat ki kawe hala ka jong karong haduk bekinong ya lambat ki pai ba ki lalam wer teliu telim Dangshen uba kermen Shilla ulakwa ban wanra da karel kitmar ha East Jante Hills namar kani ke district ka penmi Shibun udawyong umaushun ka dobilat ki mauthup ka dobertha ki ding lembong bakensai lani ki timba ki mauria namar ka linti rel ka don kam Shibun ki mauria banti ne ki parmau ne ki lum jantia banjer kerteng tang khendiat kat ban nakaliang jang ki weipat ki MLA nyau trep kita lai pesan ngut empat yo asngau lada ki ong hoot ni ki ar pusang ngut ki MLA na lum garu kimpat juut balawan telep ki bar Jylla na Assam, Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Bangladesh na do balapoi karel ha station men di pathar. Tang kitu ki balalet lawan da karel ki sngaw thu hadu katno kajing koridor jongka.
For us, if we feel that through railway that influx will increase, so why not we just ask the government to implement only the goods carrier, because goods carrier I believe that nothing will happen with influx, nothing to do with influx. It will just help us because the good carriers, it will reduce the cost of the materials, especially when we import something from outside the state. So that's why I said here to judge whether it's good or bad is too early. We have to know what exactly, because good carriers and public carriers, we can choose. If we feel that we don't want public carrier, even the government concerned so about that. If we have train station, at least the good carriers. Public transportation thing, our people might not require it, but still if it's there, they do require. But if they feel that not required, so still we can ask for goods carrier. That's one thing. If we have a goods carrier, this overloaded truck, especially the big trucks, which we comply through this national highway, because of them, we have seen that witness lots of accident happen and lots of this thing, road damage has been done. Unless if we have a train, then goods carrier will be done by the train, and then public transport will be done by road. So the road condition also will be good, and public will have no traffic problems. That is what I feel my personal. But in the end, public's concern is very important.
UCM ke KHDC uba penyat sing sim ulalum ke Jylla jong ki bor ba penyat ya ke office penne pensa ke klau ki betap Forest Department jong ke sarkar Jylla bat ke KHDC ban yemir jingmut bat banwa ikilat kilinti ban penroi ki klau ki jaka besensyar ke District Council. Hakani ke Jylla lawan bani Shimenta du Dr. S. Ashutosh, IFS Retired Director and Co-Chairman State of Excellence, bat u Gunanka TP, IFS Executive Director MBDA, bat ke Dr. Levinai M. Dakar, Technical Specialist Center of Excellence, ringkat ke Kenhon jangka IORA akon na Netherlands. Ke Kenhon wat benya ya ke jingdon ki klau ki betap hari India. Hakani ke Jylla layamir jingmut kumno ban penchluri ki pai pa akishnong bapher bakin pentre kami ki skim thung ding ha ki jaka basellen ha ki shnong ki thau kani ke Jylla Kiding kisit kilong kibadon kampanye kun persya ikibor penjat penjulor jang kamariang ki start hakani kejingelang kilaong.
Kumnu ban yadi yathir nakajing mentoy jongka cloud betap kabami nakto jongka carbon credit payment for finance for carbon credit. Ia kan ni kibobon ha ki company na syabari ki kuat bentir. Te kasyong hangi menta kumnu ban wanra sanjur hai kini komiti ban wanra ki ai ki kendon ki bobiak. Kenang ba let's say for India impat yo slow like no kanika IRA kanika IORA kanika kelas sedang ni kumini initiative henry bathiet pat ya kanika carbon credit debit na syabari India tengi ni hab batsutu habat kanika IRA apa Delhi but kumno ba kanika jing mentoy kabangi ni preserve ni forest ni penek pensa ka cloud betap ni limba kini ki ni laban dia syaki niki kecicu lawan cover atas ni naduk nak BBJ ba nika meeting kelompok te nakalian ke executive committee kwa ban ya tu ba mentar resmi ka akunyo tarik ni Risaw ilayo ban khot ya ka meeting ka bakerpang hakabai day ka forest department jongka KHDC ya kani ka meeting lawan ban mikmat daw Dr. S Ashutosh DYFS retired PCF government jong Meghalaya bat mentaru udang bat kumu director bat co-chairman jong Center of Excellence Government of India or Government of Meghalaya nangta Shri Gunanka DB DIFS Uderu Executive Director Jongka Meghalaya Basin Development Authority MBDA Uderu Joint Secretary Jongka Planning Government of Meghalaya ringkat i Dr. Lavinia M. Dekhar the Technical Specialist Center of Excellence but nakaliang ki official Jongka State Government kilabun ha kidon kumba nyo pramut hapok kajingelam jong kini ki bang lapan pau teng te kani ka meeting ila khadru yaki nong mikmat representative naka IORA kadika we naka kenhun apo badan apo nong ba Delhi kaba Peit bakmi bat kabala shimti shibun tiliki project nang ta kumno ban wanra kaji hikai kaba kerpang yaki beliau hapo ri India but ke project ke baki la daki totally mendai syutang po imal ajan shispa san totally kumno ban aji kai ki beliau ban preserve lene ban penek pensa ki cloud betap kumno ban hikai ban thungding kumno hikai ban rap ru wat ikinong rap kiting so kiwe ki bala si kala ban long ka jingker khu hakaba penmi yakal air ke bakhoi nakiniki jingthum but tang kata kani ka kenhun kale research ru bakumno banla banwanra ye ka jing mentoy ka jing yo nong yakini ki nong rap hadu ki riushimet niki ki kenhun ki pair ki badan yakini ki jakarap ki badan yaki jaka cloud kini ki private plantation niki we bakin ai jing mentoy yaki lingba kanika project te kanika project ki khot ka agro forestry carbon finance project but lawan mi khmat ru dai we representative badai yakari India i badai na po Netherlands i badai na kanika akon kalong ko ka institution ka ba Peit ban finance baru ban penyat yo yakiniki ka carbon credit ki bangyong dan ni kumanshu pentip EP nak initiative jong chief minister Meghalaya ru la persyang banwara ekanika PES system hapo Meghalaya kata ka payment for ecosystem mod kinunu ki brio shimat kinunu ki shnong kinunu ki raj kinunu ki hima ne kinunu ki cloud ki kur ki badan cloud ki badan ka plantation forest plantation mod lada ki don kumbashi hektar kat kum ngabatai kat kum gajing a jong state government ling bakan ni PES system ki ai prahajar shi hektar te menta kasni kaji kenduk jungi kalong ba kamlong kerpang kalong ba NAKA forest department jong ka KHDC kan shim ni initiative menta banyak syakmat ini ka kam ini ka project ka bangi khot ka agro forestry carbon finance project but ia kan ni ka project ngila form da kawi committee special committee
Kopis Jongu Electoral Officer Ribhoy District Kalapin Banaban Pelong ka revision of electoral roll campaign program haka khatway bat khat pratarik unai wing kandon ka jing pensyai pai pa iki kam ki bede ban penbet iki jing dona bat jing baklah ki epic ne electoral roll ban penrung kerteng bat ban penbet iki kerteng ki snem kha bat ki wei pat ki jing don kam kan long naduk ka arpunyo terik Risaw haduk kendai terik nok prak ya ka electoral roll bapaka en penbana pai ba akasan terik kelalengkot arhajar arpasaw Kopis Jongu District Electoral Officer kala kerpat iki pai ba khamtam ki samla ki ban kot khat pras nem kerta hau benai kelaleng kot arjar arpusaw ki de bantur syakmat ban penrung kerteng yaladi haka electoral roll pat ban yo ek elector photo identity card lan ke epic ban tap vote haki election ban wan Karibhoy District Kadon Santli ki constituency ki bagentup ya ke Umroy ke Badon Sanpu Santli ki polling station Umsning Hendriu Punriu Tali ki polling station Nongpo Hendriu Pupra Tali ki polling station Mawati Hendriu Punyau Tali Bat Kajirang Nyau Punyau Tali Kamauti constituency kalayo Artli ki polling station Bethamai ha Umkhang polling station Bat Kamau Laho polling station
Kadang instruction yang akan buat Manusia Shillong di in-house printing dari kiong banyarap kerang ipi Forestry yang kita
Peit kumbaga malong bahi ni la ni sekolah ni jing natri jong ki officer juni bahagi nan put level tu mereka ko
beli nakila ni ben petition je ke officer CEO rumah ini kena
so with distance of maybe around 40 kilometers separated distance of around 40 kilometers how could they club together in the same police station
but Jylla being the young can you just give us
there are two new polling stations which have been newly created Umkhang and Maulha the only section are Umkhang and Pentawak see in Umkhang police station I am just wondering that you know how
ni kau bantu tips ki parties berokhat bam nak bentar kenika rationalization jogi polling station ilayo ekini proposal bat ila pa eki shiki ECI but hadin ilayo approval bentar nilara ban yo syusa Artli ki polling station ki bah hapo ka Mauhati assembly constituency kini kedai ke Umkhang bat ka Maulaho so ki section ki bah hapo Umkhang ngende Umkhang bat Penthol Wang and labu hapo Maulaho bat dia ki section ni kedai ka Maulaho so nak bentar kini ka MP elections ke Balungan kindan ki Artli ki polling station ki bah Teman but ia kajing don jeng polling station mentah po Ribhoy district nak kini ki naga lai spak lai kuwei minta kelak dan lai spak lai kula so kami kalau nak kata kajing tip jeng boroki political parties
can I just
revolution kini ki juha bagi saja nang bagi beri bagi political parties tu ki balong interested bandit ban witness ban pet ki jing penduk kerteng kila pandai dalang tinggi hak babarok khat ki BLO ki hab bandan haki polling station di jongki tikini gide ka khatway trik jong bunai khatway khat tra trik jong bunai ba khatway kini di special campaign dates ka ba ila pentip shabaro sikibur level yujongi ki officers ki jongi ka tip bagi hab bandan po polling station itu isgi kang bagi beriu lani ki observer jang garul observer bawan na Shillong ru ki hab bandan ki political parties tu kila ban Peit banyak milang berhak jeng pendung kerteng iki beriu ki beraban ai kerteng sekarang nah ta kindan ru ki visit lagi electoral roll observer ta ki senang ka Shillong pada hadin jong kani nadu mentang ski hadu kendai trik jong bulai berkat ki beriu ki la ban file ki claims and objections mo borok tu form 6 7 8 ki kuat ban file ki la ban ki BLO jong ki Yang ta hadin jong kata dia bala ban dispose ki claims objections haka be ki ARO jongi kila ban ki polling stations ban le ki hearing la don kam kani kende na do ka shpotrik bra khatar hadu ka akun tering ti kani official date na ka ECI ti ko mangitip badala ali ki tarik akusan nga sai ka long ka makam iki nok tre sarkar ni iki baru bikin mobilize ban room kerteng o ban le iki hearing dates tigila bengi kerpat iki RO bikila ban fix ki schedule jengki haswai kini kan baki briru kin wan kinula banon push ki hearing place ki jengki bikila mo ba ka final publication jeng ke irul kan de hata santrip ubna romingkong jeng araja akusa kajing pentip ru sa sisian kan bagi penken mau kita parties baru bakila banapoy ni ki booth level agents ki ba ki la ke party ke jongki bakila bandon lang polling station bakila bandong ru kajing erap ki ARO ki booth level officers hal je pendung kerteng ki brio ki ba na biang ka rata bat ka ki qualifications ban board thì adin jong kani ba dia ngi lada kidan ki ARO ki jongi bedan ang ni lagi dan kenu ka suggestions ne ki comments ki la man pashat lang hangi menta namal ba try pielet isi ki polling station ba pair ban hearing ke ba philap phisham ngi la ban ya kran lang hang ni lang ba niki politik parties ro kin so ke jing ala niki ki lat ki bingila man kampen bahan na kaliang jongi na kaliang jongki Peit baru kanang mat niki jong penung kerteng kanang pakam bed
Kaviva Service Center Khanapara Guwahati lingba ka jingkarshan ka Ministry of Textile jong ka sarkar pedeng bat ka Office Development Commissioner for Handloom haka arpunyaw tarik Risaw kalapli ka Yaudi Jan District Handloom Expo Tanah Bana Hamadan NSCA Pams Im Nongpo kani kayo kanne ahdu sansngi nadu balapli ka kani kayo pin inam bat bandi ki tiar shnakti kalong ban penchluri ki brio ki baminot ha kani kakam ha ka juk kapor ban penyat yawi ki mar ki mata ki bami na kani kejaka kinong thanjan bakin sai na Meghalaya Assam bat sikin kilapin is arong yala ki tiar kitar ki jan ki nap ki brio ki penmi na la ki jong ki Jylla kajing penlong ye ketika yau di tiar na kebenta kinong thanjan kalong kum shibenta ban ailang ye kinong thanjan ban nong shna jing shnakti ban penipat ba ikimar ki mata ban ru ban nang penyat yau ye kimar jongki ya kani ka yau di tiar lapli do ba mirul bonds im MLA kanong po constituency ha kajing don lang udi lingdo zonal officer directorate of textile niwa kalita IIHT Guwahati Deepika Ingdo, Zonal Officer Weaving Shillong, Ba Matthew Makdo, Working President NSCA Nongpo, Vijay P. Sanorkar, Assistant Director WSC Guwahati, Babay Nat, Technical Superintendent Weavers Service Center Guwahati, Lembat Kiwe Kiriukmat na Nongpo.
Came from a constituency where the maximum of the weavers they are here in Nongpo constituency. Especially all the participants whom the stall has been allotted here today also, all these women who are here, they're all people, friends, weavers from my area. And this kind of initiative, this kind of exhibition where the talent can be showcased, it is very important for each and every one of us, especially in Ribhoi, that we will be getting this kind of avenue to showcase our product. I'm happy to see, apart from the handloom, all the material that are here, I have seen few handicraft material also are here, and it is quite amazing to see that people from our region, from our district, we are not far behind from other part of our country. Ding kita kadau haga ni kesegi gidap nak jing sukumen ka bakrau bani I ya ki nong than gi bi ki jum ndei ta ki nong thang jan dia andre ki nong than ye ki ni ki tiar ki bla ban mi ki than mula ki ni ki jing bu jing penbu itenan decoration na ki ding na ki si prepare ki pla bat kum ta ter ki non lang hang ni but ni sukumen bakum gani ka program lala ban organize hang ni hapo nong po NAKA benta ban pen I ki sap ki phong gi jum. It is an honor and privilege for on behalf of all the weavers of this particular area, to the government of Meghalaya, to the Department of Textile, where the Right Nong Tlu Diwan Umden as an headquarter has been regarded as an airy village, and it has been officially notified by the Governor of Meghalaya Textile Department on the 12th of February 2021. This is a fight, a long time fight. As a legislator from this particular area, we have been trying from time and again to get this recognition for the past 5 years. And I'm happy that the government of Meghalaya, I would like to place on record my sincere thanks to the Honorable Chief Minister, to the Minister in charge textile during that time, all the officials who have been here through thick and thin with the weavers of Risaw, where they are in this position today because of the hard work of all the officers who have been there in this district since the inception of this department, who have been handhold all the weavers where they are today. And as Swalkushi has been regarded for Muga, and we are happy today that for Eri State also, Umden Diwan in Right Nong Tlu has been regarded as an Eri village officially. And now we are happy to learn that the department, they are under process where the GI tag is on the pipeline, where we'll see the light of the day very soon. We wish you all the best with the department. This is for the benefit of the weavers. This is for the benefit of all the farmer, the society, the SAG that we have, where this is a livelihood for each and every one of them, where they earn. And we have seen, I belong to the place where every second member of the family are the weavers. I came from that village, and myself also, I've been very close with them. And
Meghalaya People's United Fund haka arpenyo terik Risaw arjar arpulai kalapen pawe kejing persakjur banwan ra ekalinti rel Handloom jantia nabar ba amdan kenu kaan banya dapura kejing wan rungtu kibriu nabar Jylla. Kipai ba akilum jantia kila UI yokmat yashong kle lang bat ya poi kha poi man bat kiwe pat kijat benriu kibawan tre belasngi banti doyong banchna surok bat bun kiwe pat kijat kim juot balajan syak telep. Henry minta ki her serngeu ban yakren kalinti rel bat ka station rel kalapoi ha Meghalaya hasnong minti pathar North Garo Hills district.
Basai kawai dai bat kini namar wangi ni dam kating I ba kalese kating tumun dong ki banra ekarwe tangna kabunta ban yo jongtoy jongno namar wangi ba kating plan kating pi banra especially for Israel kalong ba ban rain ya spa ko bujuni hak bayade bat marpo ndo NAKA district jong is jangles bat kunju shakiwai ki Jylla support tagi thor NAKA daw nakale jong ikong gaseng ikwa ban pau ba ladaki intention jong pi kadai na grunta developments jong pa ba ikong gasan ikashan mulai kum kujing jong ipat kalong ba ka intention jong pi kadai tang na grunta ke business jong fisherman te na kada na kalen jong ikum kaseng ngin mai na ban ngin mai li yano ban le tinu ki kam na gabanta ban ta ya ki unang salang joni te haswa pin mon ra ek ranwe la dai shwa ban ai ni ya mechanism kum ga LP le ni ki la gera khang ba ngin sha tla ka jingwa jong ranwe namar wa sistem balawan ranwe la pi on in the form of goods lani in the form of transportation lani in the form of ini ban ra ki pai ba te kamun baik kalau baik ladang te galap benar kenung no te naga dalam kalian jongi kombasan ngina maila bakal lebih kan wan katbom pembian kita kiliti kisenjam haga bayadai bat kujinyada ya kali bekerja dengan jongi pat kado ke message ke jongi kombasan sha kasorka ba lado pina bang ayani ya kata assurance hak jinya dai bat kejung tumur jompi ni nagasan MPUF ngena maila bakal le kaman chopo kejala kejuni lagna ne khamtam chopo is the district te nagara kadaw na kalen joni ngala de smith ka me morondom cha deputy commissioner ba ban penpoy sha ka sarkar hak bay dai bat kejung demand kejuni bat kumju ban ai ko message chopai ba joni bobo ekikali khamtam kitro ba sisen malawan keralbe ki bobo kali truk ki bobo ya ki transportation lamba ki truk ki dumpers kini kelado jikta shwa dan naga equality ro ba kini don matalang hani ba kini don matalang bani ban persya ya jengwan keralbe sya kini tanjung di Khubor
Bat dak itu ki Khubor ngilapoi sya kabakut tak hadu pengin syambiang Khubor.